Hello, it's Donna with Red Treasures, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about color charts. I don't know how many of you are actually aware that you can change the color chart that you use when you're digitizing your designs. So this is a design that I have digitized a couple of days ago, and I've got it the colors that I want, but I thought I would show you how to actually do some color changing. Now, say if you go over here, and I'm going to just turn this particular color off right now so that you can see what color I'm actually going to change. If you do a right click and you can say color and then say color from a catalog. For me, when I normally do this, it comes up with a Madeira rayon. I use Marathon polyester mainly, and I set my colors for Marathon when I digitize. So, but say I wanted to change this color, I could, click on the color over here and click OK, and you see it changed it. I'll undo it so it'll go back to the color I originally had. And say this particular larger swath of the yellow, say I wanted to change it, and if I wanted to make it green, I could actually click on the name, click OK, and it would change it that way. Now there are actually numerous color charts that come with Embird. Like I said, use mainly Marathon. I do have some Metro, which they have their color chart in there. I do use a lot of Floriani, or I have some, I don't use it as much. But I do have quite a bit of Floriani, and certain times I will digitize with it. So I just select that and go down. And then you can scroll here and see them. And just play around with your color charts. And there is actually a way that you can create your own custom color chart if you want to. I actually have one. It's outdated and I really need to redo it. Let me show it to you. Mine's called Donna Sulky Rayon. I started this initially when I first bought Embird. I had a lot of silky colors, and then I found Marathon thread. But what I did was I created my own color chart that had all of the colors of the thread that I have. So at that point in time, you could see, but I have since given away all of my sulky, so all of these colors really don't mean that much to me, and I just I have my Marathon rayon threads in here that I have, as well as the polyester. I need to go and update it and put all of my Metro and Floriani colors in. If you would be interested in a video on how to actually make your own color custom chart, just let me know. Also, if there's any other videos of things that you would like to learn in Embird, drop a note and let me know, and I'll see if I can get a video for you. So just make sure you like and subscribe and share it with all your friends that are digitizers, so that we can get the channel growing and I can create more content for you. So we'll talk to you later. Bye.